Hello students, I welcome all of you online classes with AK. Welcome back. This is a part second of my series on articles. Those who have not seen the part first of articles A and N, just watch the previous video. In this video, I will show you 10 rule about definite article the. Please watch the full video, then you will better understand use of article the. We will see rule first. To talk about a person or things known to your listener. I had a sandwich and an apple for lunch. The sandwich was not very good, but the apple was very nice. Mohan says a sandwich, an apple because this is the first time he talks about them. Mohan now says the sandwich, the apple because Kiran knows which sandwich and which apple he means. The sandwich and the apple he had for lunch. Mohan used article the in second time because Kiran know already about them. It means if we are talking about same thing in second time, so we can use article the. Here we will see the second rule. Before the name of things which are unique of their kind. So if there is any unique thing, that time we will use article the. So here also we will use the. We will see some example. The sun shines in the sky. Here it is a unique thing. So we will use the sun. And the B point, the world is full of wonderful things. So here before world we will use the. C point, the earth moves around the sun. So here the earth and the sun. So we will use before sun the, and before earth we will use the. D point, the police are investigating a murder in our village. So here it's not happening the all time. So here before the police we will use article the because it is a unique thing in our village. It is a first time maybe. So here we will use article the. So here we can understand which are unique of their kind. That time we will use article the. We will see rule third. Before the musical instruments we will use the. It means if there is any musical instrument, so before the musical instrument we will use article the. Now we will see the first example. She is playing the piano. It means piano, it is a musical instrument. So before piano we will use article the. Second sentence, Rohan is playing the guitar. Guitar here is a musical instrument. So here that Rohan is playing the guitar. So before the guitar we will use article the. So in a simple way we can say before the musical instrument we will use article the. Now we will see the next rule. Before the superlative degrees, it means if there is any superlative degrees, so before the superlative degree we will use article the. We will see the first sentence. This is the sweetest song Rima sang. So here that before the sweetest we will use article the. We will see the next sentence. Sanju is the best player of the team. Here best is used here as a superlative degree. So already we know that before the superlative degree we will use article the. So here before the best we will use article the. It means Sanju is the best player of the team. Now we will see the next rule. Before the names of races or nations we will use article the. It means if there is a race's name or the nation's name we will use article the. We will see the first sentence. The Hindus go to the temple for worship. Before the Hindus, we will use article the. Next sentence, the English left India forever. It means before English, we will use article the. But keep in mind, but don't use the before names of languages. It means you can't use the before language name. Here we will see the next rule. When we refer to some particular person or things, that time also we use article the. If we are telling about some particular person or things, that time we will use article the. Let we will see a first sentence. Don't make the carpet dirty. It means we are talking about some particular thing, that is a carpet. Don't make the carpet dirty, we will say. Before the carpet, we will use article the. Look at the next example. Don't live far from the station. It means we are talking about a particular place, that is a station. So before a station, we will use article the. Here we will see the next rule. When we refer to a whole class, if we are talking about a whole class, that time we will use article the. Let we will see the first example. The camel is a useful animal. So here we are not talking about a single camel. We are talking about a whole class. It means before the camel, so it will come article the. The camel is a useful animal. Second example, the dog is a faithful animal. So here we are not talking about a single dog. We are talking about a whole class. So before dog, here the article the will come. The dog is a faithful animal. So in a simple way, we can say that if we are talking about a whole class, that time we will use article the here, as we use here before camel and here before dog. So article the will come. Here we will see the next rule. Before the adjective, when it refers to a whole class and the noun is understood, we will use article the. Now we will see the first example, the poor. It means we are talking about a poor people are miserable. So here before the poor, we will use article the. We will see the next sentence, the rich. It means we are talking about a rich people are generous. It means before the rich, we will use article the. So we can easily understand when it refers to a whole class and the noun is understood, so we will use article the. We will see the next example. Before the directions, if there is any direction is given, then we will use article the. Let we will see the first example. The sun rises in the east. It means before east, we will use the. We will see the next example. Vedant went to the west. It means we are talking about a direction west. So before west, article the we will use here. So here easily we can understand before the direction we have to use article the. Here we will see the rule 10th, and it is the last rule of articles. The is used before the names of following nouns: the famous buildings, name of certain states or countries. Let we will see the example: the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Punjab, the USA, etc. We will discuss about the second point, name of trains, ships, aeroplanes, etc. We will use article the. Let we will see the example: the Taj Express, the Shalimar Express. So here before that, these name we have to use article the. We will see the third point, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, gulf, etc. We will use article the. Let we will see the example: the Ganga, the Thames, the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Himalayas, the Persian Gulf. etc. We will use before that article the. Look at the last example, holy books and newspapers, historical books, etc. We will use article the. We will see the example, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Indian Express, the Tribune, etc. We will use before that article the. Put in a, an or the in these sentences where necessary. Please complete this exercise. If there is any problem, then comment.